Welcome to Empower Her. Our hope is this podcast will empower women to take control of their health by providing them with medically accurate information needed when making a decision about your pregnancy. Please remember to hit the subscribe button.
All right. Well, let's talk about the hottest topic this past week, Britney Spears.
Yes, what a shocker. For those of you that are not in tune with social media, Sue, tell us what's been going on with this pop diva.
Well, she just revealed in her new memoir, The Woman in Me, that she and Justin Timberlake had a pregnancy and decided to abort it. And here's an excerpt from her memoir. But Justin definitely wasn't happy about the pregnancy, Spears writes. He said, "We weren't ready to have a baby in our lives, that we were way too young." Spears says then that she had the abortion, but that it wasn't entirely her choice. If it had been left up to me alone, I never would have done it. And yet Justin was so sure that he didn't want to be a father. To this day, it's one of the most agonizing things I have ever experienced in my life. Again, she says in her book.
That is just heartbreaking. And I'm wondering if that is when we started to see that change in her personality. Have you seen her song, the video for her song, Every Time? The song is one that she wrote after the breakup.
Just makes you wonder, right?
Yeah.
And this is a great reminder to us to continue to educate women on all of their pregnancy options and provide support in a non-judgmental environment.
Yeah, I totally agree, Sue. It's important to have all the facts to make an informed decision for themselves. So whoever's going through that, because many times women are left carrying the burden of the decision. And, as Britney mentioned, it was the most agonizing thing she's ever experienced in her life. And I wonder if she had anyone to help her through those feelings. And is there even anything out there for women who are going through some of those feelings after making that decision?
Well, each woman's experience is different when having an abortion, but there are organizations that help women who've had a similar experience as Britney. We know that this is a hard decision for women. All three options when faced with an unplanned pregnancy are difficult. There's no easy solution, and no matter what decision you make, it's a lifelong decision.
Yeah. Well, that brings me back to why we do what we do at Options Women's Care Center. Our goal is for women to leave our center after meeting a licensed medical professional, equipped with all the information that they need to make the decision about their pregnancy. We want women to feel like Options Women's Care Center is a safe place for them to make that decision and one that feels right for them. So, and I just wonder, could things have been different for Britney if she had a place like Options to go to?
We'll never know. But today, we are grateful to be able to serve women in our local community. And we're grateful for all of our listeners who've tuned in to watch Empower Her. Remember again to like and subscribe.